So if you sat at home and you're watching this video and you're thinking, God, I was ready for my driving test, it didn't happen because it's been cancelled, and it's been cancelled for the next few months, then you just got to say to yourself, I just need to stay positive, because the time will come when they'll resume the driving tests, and when they start, when things start to clear over and we can actually get out on the roads more, then you'll be looking forward to booking that test at that point. So while you can't do any driving lessons, you're going to start getting rusty. So you need to start thinking about what you can do to keep sharp, I suppose. Obviously you can't get in the car, or watching the videos is going to help. So look at the playlists. So I've got a playlist. I'll put some links in the description for the playlists of certain videos, and prepare for that day when you will be restarting your lessons to retake your test, or set your test for first time. Don't just say, right, I sit now, I'm just going to give up, I've had enough, because that time will come where that day where they rebook your driving test, because the DVSA said they're going to rebook it. That day will come along, and it's up to you to be ready for it that way. Otherwise, what's going to happen is you're going to put your test off again because you're rusty. So if you can keep yourself thinking about what you want to do, once or twice a week, sit down when you've got time on your hands at this point, and just look at videos that are going to remind you to check your mirrors, signal, let everyone know your intentions, lane discipline, manoeuvres, junctions, mini roundabouts, large roundabouts, spiral roundabouts, they're all in there. So look at the videos, look at the playlists to remind yourself, and I'll try and put some links at the top. If this video is helping you, all I want to do is keep you going, keep you motivated, then give it the thumbs up, feel free to share it, because at the end of the day it's about you not being demotivated and not giving up at this point, because it'll come along, the test. It's just a matter of time, and then when that time comes along, you've got to be ready. Okay, good luck, watch the videos, and hopefully in the next month or two we'll have a test date ready. They'll take it from there. In the meantime, I'll do videos on different things to help you. If you've got any ideas you want me to do videos on, then let me know. Take care, safe driving, and stay tuned.